Thank you, ma'am. Do you want to be there din, ma'am? Hi ka, ma'am. Hello. Naka-open kasi magda-dry out siya, di ba, ma'am?
So, tapos maganda yung hindi masyadong toasted.
Ako, personally, gusto ko toasted. Eh. So personal preference yan, ma'am.
Wait for
Ganyan siya itsura niya.
review.
Ito, ma'am, oh. Sige, ma'am, you can try it. Tsaka I use real fruits, ma'am. So don't expect na matamis siya, ma'am.
I just wanted to try.
Oh. Real fruits yung gamit ko dyan, ma'am. Oh. Thank you, mama.
Gumagawa rin kasi ako ng bread.
Ano talaga siya, ma'am. Tsaga-tsaga lang talaga, ma'am. Malambot siya, ma'am, oh. Tsaka hindi siya matamis. Yun yung gusto ko kasi, ma'am, eh. Na,
It's not sweet, no?
oh. Tsaka real fruits gamit ko, ma'am.
Anong oras ka gumigising every day?
Actually, kagabi, 10, nag-start na kami. 10. Normally, midnight kami nagsa-start. Pero nagkataon, marami kaming ginagawa. So, we move back a bit pa.
So, every day you're here?
Every day yun, ma'am. Every day, walang tulog din, ma'am.
I'm sure
You take naps naman along the way. Pero, power na, power na.
Madalas naman ako nagko-commute.
If you want, ma'am, may glorieta rin kami, ma'am. Alam mo yung second floor, sofa, ma'am. Yung papuntang SM Makati, papuntang SM Makati. Tsaka may ano siya, yung strawberry niya mismo parang may bits konti yan. Kasi real fruits gamit namin dyan, ma'am. Baka maubusan ka, ma'am. Kasi we sell out fast talaga, ma'am. Pero, have you seen this sa TikTok or sa Reels?
TikTok.
Oh.
It's always on my page. And
Peach blue, tsaka
I
chocolate.
always go back and forth then to Singapore. So sometimes it would be on my page then. And then I was like, should I find this in Singapore? Or like, masapuhan ko na lang in Philippines. But
Try the Singapore branch din, ma'am, if you have time. Where do you usually stay ba doon? Orchard area, ganun? Orchard. You won't add one more, ma'am, no? So I can put it on the box.
the mango.
Oh, mango, blueberry.
Strawberry. Is it pork?
Yes, pork.
Kaya ba kahit ugly yan the video?
Hindi yan, no. Wala pang makeup yan, di ba, ma'am? All natural.
Kasi I have to go to the derma.
Dito rin, ma'am, sa Wanayala.
In Belo.
Downstairs.
Yeah.
Downstairs.
How much po yung box?
450 lang. What's your name again, ma'am? Sulat ko lang.
Ishi.
Ishi. ISHI. What a unique name, ma'am. Ingat po, ma'am. How was the session, ma'am? Okay na,
It
ma'am?
was like...
Ang shiny na. Glass skin na yan, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sige po.